name is Oliver Law. I'm a fractional CEO and I have my own consulting business, and I support a range of companies going through some sort of change or transformation event. So I guess the nature of the role I have is that I go into businesses and there's usually a set of challenges that I first of all need to diagnose, and I need to work through a remedial plan in terms of how I then address those challenges. So quite often, for example, it could be go to market. I will need high impact leadership or high impact roles to address certain business problems. So I've used Russam a number of times in the past. So for example, with a recent facilities project that I had, we drafted in some interim leadership from Russam that helped us realise a new operational facility for that particular business. And perhaps also another example in another project that I ran was that we had a need for some high impact sales leadership. So we drafted in a fractional commercial director, and it just really enabled us to get some leadership into those businesses and get some control of the current situation that business found itself in. Well, what I've always found with Russam is that they're extremely swift to take action. So I can call Russam on a Friday evening or even get in contact with them over a weekend, and I can get candidates very rapidly. I know those candidates are vetted, they're referenced, and those candidates will provide immediate impact to the challenges that I'm facing. So I have a trust in them and a confidence in them that whatever my requirement, whether it's a commercial requirement, an operational requirement, a regulatory or finance, that they'll be able to find me people very quickly. And that's extremely important to me, because ultimately I'm engaged by the client myself to help transform their business or to build value into their business. So that for me is really the value that I see from them. I think any business that needs immediate impact roles, they should look at Russam, because they can provide people very quickly, very high quality people who are vetted. And if you have a need in your business for any commercial or operational issue, and probably others as well, I'm very confident that Russam will be able to give you those people and have the impact that you would need in your business.